This video will teach you how to install the Raycus Laser Source. Connect water pipes and power cords. Cut the cable tie. Unplug the green terminal. Please follow this instruction to connect the wires to the green terminal. Insert the green terminal. The key BH dot aligns with the welding torch's dot. Ensure this arrow aligns with the unlocking position. Connect machine the power cord. Turn on the power switch. A red laser beam means the laser source is working normally. Turn off the laser source and power switch. Unplug the power cord. The safety clip line should be 1.5 to 2 meters long. Tie up the wires with zip ties. Bundle the safety clamp and the cable together. Insert the cable into the wiring harness. Use zip ties to fasten the cable bundle and stop it from shifting. Fasten them one by one in order. Install the lid. Align the lower screw holes. Align the buckle position. Install the front cover. Install the fixing plate. Do not tighten the screws yet. After the screws are installed, now you can tighten all the screws. Align these for screw holes and move the laser backwards. Mounting screws. Tighten the screws one by one. Add water to the chiller. Mounting screws. Install the side cover. Connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the laser switch. Welding test. All tests passed. Thanks for watching.